It has like a peppery taste. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be testing Korean and Japanese makeup products. I received these products with the Nomakenolife beauty boxes. This is a subscription box that I buy every month and I'm doing an unboxing video. I'm also going to unbox the Nomakenolife beauty box of May, so don't forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna start off with this lip gloss. This is for the game Fate Grand Order and it is in collaboration with the brand Sanrio. I have here the shade, what is the shade? This one here is the Nero Claudius shade, and this is what I have now on my lips. It gives in the beginning a very weird sensation. It's not very tingling. Also, it has like a peppery taste, and this weird sensation is fading after a few minutes. I think that it gives a plumping effect on the lips because my lips are looking a little bit fuller now, and also it is scentless. On the packaging it looks like a pinky lip gloss. It is a very light pink gloss. We also have this very shiny glossy finish, which is nice. Let's continue with the primer that I have. This one is the Oil Block Powder Gel by the brand Country and Stream, and this one can absorb any sebum and make the T-zone look matte. I'm going to use it on the T-zone only because I have dry and sensitive skin. This product comes with a little brush and let's see how it looks. I'm going to use it directly. Okay, I think that's a lot of product. The scent reminds me of tea tree oil, and now I'm pressing the product very lightly with my fingertip. I think it made my pores more noticeable now. I have already applied my skincare products and it's not so sticky on this area. So let's continue with my regular primer, the Veil Mineral Primer by Hourglass. This primer can make your skin look smoother. Here we have a product by Holika Holika. This is the Aqua Petite Jelly BB Cream in Light. So this one has the cutest packaging ever. It is super pretty and it has a gel consistency. I want my face makeup today to be very light and natural, so that's why I'm using this BB cream. I'm gonna blend everything out with this diamond sponge. It is damp. I have used some water on it. This one can blend the foundation like any other disposable sponge. About the shape, I didn't find it more difficult to use it. I think it's fine. This BB cream has a very nice coverage for a BB cream. It can cover discolorations. I also like it because it's not very sticky and you don't need a lot of powder. I look like a ghost. For concealer, I'm using the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. The sponge is very soft and you can also use it on the eyes. So the sponge blends the product very easily on my skin, and I'm going to keep this for my professional makeup kit. After that, I have a very exciting product. This is a cheek and lip cream. I want to use this on my cheeks as a cream blush, and this is by the brand Momokos. We have this very red cream blush, and I'm very curious to see if I can make it wearable. I'm gonna take my regular sponge and a little bit of the product, and on the other side I'm gonna use it with a brush. This is black, so I can't really see how much product I'm taking. Let's hope for the best. Oh, I have a very light reddish color. So I'm smiling, and this is the highest point of my cheeks, this here. Ding, ding, ding. This is where I want to apply my blush. Okay, this actually looks super gorgeous and natural. It doesn't look like a red blush, and I think I have applied more blush on this area. I'm going to take the foundation sponge, and as you can see, I have cleaned the edges. And after that, with my fingertip. It is so easy to work with cream products, especially if you have good quality. I'm going to take some more because I want to see if I can make it darker. This actually looks super pretty. On the other side, I'm gonna use a brush, and I have here the Duo Fiber F50 brush by Sigma, And as you can see, this is a stippling brush. I like these brushes for cream products because they don't apply a lot on the skin and you can have a very nice airbrushed effect. I have a very nice blended effect with the brush as well, but I like the sponge better because it gives like a more glowy finish because of the sponge. Oh, it is a damp sponge by the way, and it's not dry. I'm going to take some more because I have used 2 coats on this cheek. I'm trying to coat the bristles very well. Oops. Do I have a lot? Yes, oh my god. That one works, it looks very nice. It's not like a very crazy red cheek product. Blush is the name. I forgot the nose. To contour my face, I'm gonna use this City Bronzer by Maybelline. I have it in the shade Medium Cool 200. And I'm taking the brush 3 by BH Cosmetics and a little bit of this. And I'm diffusing this on the cheekbones, also a little bit on the forehead. I haven't used any powder on my face, and this blends super easily on top of the jelly foundation. BB cream with a smaller brush, number 7 by BH Cosmetics. I'm also using some on the sides of the nose. I want to keep this glow on my face, so I'm not gonna set everything. I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. A little bit on the cheeks, very close to the nose, not on the cheeks that I have the blush. Also on the eyelid. I'm also going to apply a little bit on the forehead and chin area. I have some fine lines and this is where I usually have crease lines. I think I don't have a highlighter to use. This one here is a blush as well, and we have this cute design, the cat, but I'm not gonna use this because I like the blush that I have today, so I'm going to keep this for another Korean Japanese makeup tutorial. So I want to use one of my old favorites. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector by Becca, and I have it in the shade Moonstone. This is a very light champagne highlighter. I'm taking some with the E40 brush by Sigma. Ooh, it looks so pretty with the rest of the products. Finally, I did my brows. I think I'm gonna start doing them in the beginning of the video before start filming because I'm always losing so much time. I stop the video, I do my brows, then I come back, I forgot what I said. Let's continue with the eyes. I'm gonna use this makeup palette by the brand Beauty World. All of the eyeshadows have a shiny finish. Some of them are more shimmery, some satin, except this one here, the pink one, that I don't want to use as a blush because I like my cheeks now. Zoom, 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 zoom. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm taking this white shimmery eyeshadow and I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. Okay, this is a little bit silvery and more white than I was anticipating. At least it is highlighting, and I'm trying to blend the edges very, very well. After that, I'm taking my bronzer again with this $1 brush. This is the E141, and I'm going to buff that in the crease area. I don't have any other matte shades in the palette, and I don't like using shimmery shades in the crease. I'm also trying to blend a little bit the bronzer in the brow bone because I applied a lot on this eye. Let's continue with this light champagne eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply it on the center of the eyelid. This is very, very light. I'm going to take some with my fingertip as well. Okay, now it's more noticeable. This is not what I usually like for my makeup looks because even though I want to do something natural, I still want the sheen to be noticeable. With the same brush, I'm taking this dark brown eyeshadow. This one is like a duochrome. It has a golden sheen. I'm pressing this on the outer eyelid. It has a nice color payoff and it looks very nice with the other eyeshadow because of the golden sheen. On the eyes, it's not looking so shiny, but I wouldn't recommend using this in the crease because of the golden sheen. With my blending brush, I'm going over the edges in the crease area so I can have a very soft eye look. And I think I want to use something golden on the center of the eyelid. I'm going to take this light golden eyeshadow with my fingertip and I'm pressing it on the center of the eyelid. I'm also going towards the inner corner. From this little square, I also want to take this shinier gold shade. You can see this is a lot more shimmery. And I'm just pressing on the center of the eyelid. I have used 10,000 eyeshadows on the center today. And with another $1 brush, this is the E142. I have tried all of these brushes in a previous video. And with this one, I'm gonna take this dark brown eyeshadow. This one looks like a matte eyeshadow, but it has a satin finish. Oops, and it is very powdery. So make sure to tap the excess off. I'm buffing this on the outer lower lash line. This eyeshadow looks a little bit muddy on the eyes. I'm also going to take this light beige eyeshadow. I'm buffing that in the inner lower lash line. And I'm trying to blend the two colors together. This eyeshadow is so light. I don't see the color. I'm pressing this eyeshadow a little bit in the inner corner just to see if now it is a little bit more noticeable. Nope! I'm going to continue with this one here. It is like a top eyeshadow and it has a shiny finish. And I'm going to use this again in the inner lower lash line. This is also not visible. Yeah, this eyeshadow is not so rich in color. I'm wiping the bristles so I can remove any remaining product. And I also want to take this eyeshadow here and use it in the lower lash line. This one can soften a little bit the dark eyeshadow that I had in the outer part. I want to highlight the inner corner with this one too. Let's see if it is going to work. Okay, I can see something. It's not looking so natural on the skin. It is like a powdery finish. I have applied mascara on my lashes. You can find the products in the description box below. And about the palette, I would say that I'm not so excited with the formula. The eyeshadows are not very shimmery or very rich in color. Oh my god, what happened on my forehead? Who knows? I have removed the lip gloss from my list because I have one more lip product to test out for this video. And this is the Heart Crush Velvet Lipstick by Holika. And this is in the shade... I don't know what is the shade. RD01. It has the most adorable packaging. It is a heart-shaped tube. Super adorable and pretty, and also the lipstick is in a heart shape. We're gonna see if this is practical. I'm trying to outline the lips with the tip of the lipstick. With the red lipsticks, it is always more convenient to outline your lips with a lip liner instead of the lipstick. So it's not easy to apply a red lipstick, and the heart shape doesn't make it easier. I still think that I need to clean the outline a little bit more. This formula is very creamy and it doesn't stain the skin, so you can clean the edges with just a Q-tip. We have a very nice rich color. This is a deep red. It's not very vibrant. It is going to look nice on a lot of different skin tones. The product is not separating and also it is not bleeding on the outline of the lips. It looks super nice. It's so creamy. So creamy. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. For me, it is this lipstick and also the blush. I think they both look very nice and they were very easy to use. You can find here a full face makeup look using $1 brushes. Yes, that's right. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!